Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I'm going to show you how you can engrave on granite, and I'll show you our small modifications of DIY galvo system. So as you can see, there is a red pivot laser that shows you where you have starting your real image. So we modified it here, so we added here, so now it's inside our optical system. So this beam goes directly here, we have a mirror, and then it goes to the galvo mirrors. So this is also our a little bit modified holder for 10-watt DPSSL laser module, and we're going to engrave this face. I'm sure you remember this guy, Governor of California. Okay, everything's ready. So you also can see the red dot, so the starting point, and we're ready to start the photo engraving process. So we just removed our pivot and we're ready to start. Okay, so it'll take about a few minutes to do. And yeah, let me remind you our installation. So we use DIY galvo frame, we have 10-watt DPSSL laser, and we have Theta aspheric lens. Focal range is 160 millimeters. So the laser power is 100% and the engraving speed is 250 millimeters per second. This is really fast, and we use EZCAD software, so quite good one. So I really enjoy working with that software. Yeah, don't forget to invert the image, because here what is black should be actually whitened, and we increased contrast level, so it has to be more but it depends, it depends on the type of material you're using, and actually it's really depend on the laser power. So here is the 10-watt DPSS, but you can also use 4-watt DPSS laser module. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, also I'll show you at the end, because it doesn't show you everything from the camera, because from my point of view, it looks much better when I see it with naked eye, because in camera we have some color changes. It's a little bit less contrast. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so you can see the result here. It's also not so easy to show, because it's reflective. Here is not a reflective part, and it's I think it's better on non-reflective part, but also looks pretty good. And it took like 2-3 minutes to complete. So yeah, hope that you enjoy image of Arnie. Yeah, you're welcome to visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com. If you have any questions, let me know. gf@endurancerobots.com, my email, and my phone is +7 916 225 432. I'll be more than happy to assist you with all questions that you might have. Have a great experience with Endurance Lasers. Bye bye.